Welcome back to our C programming course, and it's time for a programming assignment, and this is our fifth programming assignment, and this assignment is completely based upon the concepts related to expressions in C programming, how expressions will get evaluated. So that we are based upon those concepts, we are going to solve this programming assignment. First we will solve these two expressions. So these examples, what does these expression states? And it's very simple. So among these two operators, which one is having highest precedence? Now what we will do is, we will rank each and every row. So we will consider this as rank 1, first row as rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, rank 6. So that will make you understand that the precedence is going to increase. So it is going to decrease from top to bottom. Rank 1 is given highest precedence. Rank 6 is given lowest precedence in comparison with rank 1. So that will enable you to understand the concept very easily. So from now on, we will consider the precedence of the operators based upon the rank, in which row they are present. So that is their rank. Okay. Now these two operators, so this one is having a rank of 3, rank 3, and this one is having rank 4. Rank 3 is highest in comparison with rank 4. So now what is that? This part will get executed, which is 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 10, which is going to produce an outcome of 20. So the result is going to have a value of 20. And what about this equation? So this expression. So how does this expression will get evaluated? Now how many operators are there? So there is a greater than, and there is a logical AND operator, and there is a less than operator. Now among these, so what are the ranks of each and every operator? For example, if you take greater than and less than, so this one is less than and this one is greater than. So it is having a rank of 6. Both of them are having a rank of 6. So try to get this. So less than and greater than, both of them is having a rank of R6. Let's make it R6. And what about this logical AND operator? The logical AND operator is here. See here, logical AND. The logical AND operator is here, and the rank of this logical AND is 11. So the rank of this logical AND operator is R11. So which one is having highest precedence? Rank 6. But there are two operators which are having the same rank. Now how to execute? How to execute that? R6. So this one, the associativity is from left to right. Means left expression has to be executed first, and so as we move on left to right, the expressions which are having the same rank has to be evaluated first. So the outcome of this is 5 greater than 3, this is true, and 10 less than 2. Is 10 less than 2? No. So this one is going to be 0. And the next, the rank of this logical AND is R11. So 1 logical AND 0. So this one is going to produce an outcome of 0. Okay. So the final result is getting stored with an answer of 0. Okay. So this is how, using the associativity and precedence tables, the things will get executed, the expressions will get executed. Now coming to our programming assignment. So this is the assignment that I request all of you to participate in this assignment, and I request all of you to post the comments. So post the comment on all these results. Result 1, what is the value that is getting stored? Result 2, what is the value that is getting stored, and what is the outcome that is getting stored in result 3. Result 3 is bit tricky, so I request all of you to pause this video and take this assignment and post the comments in the comment section. So your comments will help us to grow, and also those comments, evaluating those comments will help the others to understand the concept very easily. So I request all of you to please post the comments, post the results of this program in the comment section. So that's it for this video. See you in the next class.